I think as a large company, sometimes it can be hard to even find the front door, the side door, the back door for innovation. We recognize that there's innovation in the world all around us, and we need to get outside of our building to really help find that innovation. Nothing is more exciting to me than looking at massive problems and finding the innovators who are willing to take those on. And so climate change being one of those areas, IgniteX is a great program for us to be able to directly work with those innovators.
The IgniteX program is Black & Veatch's foray into innovation. It's the way the company has transformed over the years from having our established business units to building beyond those original boundaries. And it's been a great way for us to team up with outside startups in a way that mutually benefits both our companies. It allows Black & Veatch to get into new markets and touch new things, and it also helps these startups get the connections and the funds that they need to advance their solutions.
We looked at almost 100 applicants and looked at what stage of development they were at, where kind of their commercial and kind of business development stages were. And then we selected companies where we thought we could kind of accelerate their progress.
Being able to access the resources of a company like Black & Veatch allows not just like the technical expertise of our thousands of engineers, but the ability to access like global markets through our supply chain, our clients that are all around the world, the ability to just basically think about Black & Veatch as a scaling partner.
So Black & Veatch has worked with startups like ours in providing a lot of just information about how to integrate our technology into the construction and energy industries. And so they've provided a lot of just hey, these are the questions that you need to be asking. This is how we assess risk versus how other industries do so. And that's been a great help in just helping us understand where we fit in the larger energy ecosystem.
Coming into the IgniteX program, we had a lot of technical challenges we wanted to overcome, primarily around the scaling up to our next facility. And so working with the Black & Veatch and the IgniteX team, we've been able to successfully conquer some of those challenges and now are underway with our FEL 2 proposal study and gearing up for our plant deployment later this year.
So Electric Fish is an original equipment manufacturer. We are trying to build our own charging stations, deploy them, and operate them. Where Black & Veatch comes in is to help us figure out the workforce which is required to first do the permitting with authorities with jurisdiction and actually deploy these and help us maintain these units as well.
So with Black & Veatch's help, we've developed a one-line electrical schematic for our upcoming high-power EV charging installation. This is something that's been requested by customers and is something that's going to allow us to explain our technology to some of the technical experts that we've been talking to.
We've been working with Black & Veatch to get the pieces in place to start scaling up our business. We have been getting some siting, some how large of a solar project we're going to want, whether we want to use a solar project or more low-cost grid electricity to make fertilizer sustainably and low price for the farmers.
Working with Black & Veatch on IgniteX has really given us an insight into the industry and also what customers in the hydrogen space are looking for and what they could also be potentially interested in the future. And so one big benefit of working with Black & Veatch has been getting contacts within their network and also understanding where we should look to advance our business in the future.
Net zero carbon is a pretty dynamic goal. And I think that the specific goal of Black & Veatch with working with startups is finding a way to scale innovation in a way that can work for the world.
And it's given myself, other members of the innovations team, and all those throughout Black & Veatch a different lens with which we can view how we do our work and how we impact our industries and our clients.
But the other thing is really the problems we're trying to tackle through our IgniteX program, these are not overnight problems. We're really looking at how do you handle climate change for the rest of this century. So really looking at this whole slate of possibilities and finding the best companies in the world that really have those compelling solutions is going to bring tons of benefits for both Black & Veatch and them and society going forward.